Hey guys, so today I've got an 8-minute Pilates style workout just for you. We are going to be working on our glute. We're going to do a minute on each exercise and then we've got like a 10-second rest in between, okay? So it's going to be quite fast, but we are going to do it and it's going to be amazing, and then we can go on with our day and have loads of fun. Okay guys, so we're going to start off with a 4-point kneeling. So let me just go and tap that Tabata so I can get a minute on the clock, and then we'll get into position. Here we go. Okay, 10 seconds. So first exercise, we are going for a long leg kick. So we're going to have a long leg and we're bringing it up and down. Here we go. So up and down, up and down. Okay, so whilst we're doing this, I want you to think about having a nice long back. There we go. So imagine you've got a tray of champagne on your back and you do not want to spill any of the champagne. So you're trying to keep nice and level. Your hips are level to the ground and we're not swinging up, we're not arching that back, okay? So really want you to focus just on that one leg, lifting and lowering. Lift and lower. Exhale on a breath. 30 seconds in, guys. Here we go. That's it. Ooh, I can feel this working in my glute. There we go, let's do this. There we go. So you will feel this in your shoulders as well, so we're getting a bit of a shoulder workout. We're really trying to stabilise shoulders, spine as well. There we go. 5 seconds left, we've got it. Excellent. Okay, let's just sit back. We're going to go on to the opposite side now. Okay, I'm going to shuffle my mat round so I can see a bit better. Okay guys, so extend that leg. Here we go. So lift and lower. Lift and lower. So once we've done this exercise, we're going to have a peachy little butt. There we go. That's it. So yeah, if we just do 8 minutes, or we've got a couple of workouts a day, we should start to feel like we're getting a bit more toned. There we go. And it makes you feel good doing all this exercise. I know I feel amazing once I've done the exercise. Might not want to do it, but once I've done it, I feel pretty good. There we go. So trying to keep those hips again level with the ground. You'll start to feel this really working in your glutes. That's it, nice and strong through those shoulders. There we go. After this exercise, we're going to go for donkey kicks. So we're going to be in the same position, but we're going to have a bend in our knees. I'll show you that in a few secs. Okay, excellent. We've got 10 seconds left, guys. 10 seconds on the clock. We've got this. Let's keep going. 3 seconds. Excellent, and bringing it down. Okay, have a little stretch. Okay, so we are going in for the donkey kick. We're going to be raising our knee up to the sky. So prepare yourself, engage those tummy muscles, keep your spine nice and straight. So we're not arching the back, we're not dipping our belly. We're just having movement from our hips. So we're getting quite a lot of hip mobility in, well, we get lots of hip mobility in this exercise. Really strengthening our glutes, our quads, our hamstrings, and I'm beginning to shake a little bit, but that means we're working out really well. If your hands or your wrists begin to ache here, you can take it down into a little position, making sure that your elbows are underneath your shoulders. Okay guys? So that's a different way so that you don't hurt your wrists. There we go, I'm going to come back up. Okay, we've got 15 seconds left. Sometimes my right wrist tends to feel a little bit dodgy, so I may go into that position in a little while. There we go. Oh, 5 seconds, guys. Keeping strong. And give it a rest. Stretch out those glutes. Stretch it out. You're gonna have a nice butt after this. Okay, into the next one. So donkey kicks again. Opposite leg. I'm gonna flex that foot and up we go. Nice and strong through your arms. Guys, it is an absolutely beautiful day today. It's amazing. So once I have done this, I'm going to go outside and paint some chairs. Just thought I'd let you know what I'm up to today. There we go. Try not to think about the exercise that I'm doing. Yeah, there we go. Okay. After this, we've actually finished on our hands and knees. We are going to go into a shoulder bridge, okay? So shoulder bridge, and we will raise our leg up to the sky. So I'm going to show you the next exercise. Really good one for working our glutes, also strengthening our spine, which is really good so that we don't get sore backs or sore lower back. That's it, there you go. 12 seconds left, 12 seconds. Nice and strong, really push it. Feel it through your glutes, that's it. 6 seconds. Last one. Okay guys, so we're going for a shoulder bridge. Okay, so I love this exercise. If you've been to my classes before, you'll know exactly what this is. Hands on the mat, flick your hair out of the way. Feet parallel with your hips, and we're gonna raise up and down, okay? So we're raising up and down, curling from your tail all the way up, and then squeezing those glutes. We're gonna make this a little bit harder, so you can carry on with this one, or you can raise that leg up, and then we're gonna dip down, and we're really gonna push through those hips all the way up, and then we're really extending that knee forwards, really pushing that knee forwards, and then really feel that working through glute. You feel this on the leg that's not in the air. There we go. Oh man, that's a good one. Try to keep those hips nice and level again. Okay, so not dipping down. We really want to strengthen those hips by keeping them nice and parallel. Whew. This is a hard one. I can feel this in my booty. There we go, let's keep going. Exhale on that move, nice and strong. Oh, and relax it, bring it down. Let's squeeze those knees into the chest rather. And we'll go for the other side this time. So when we're ready, I'm going to raise those hips up. I'm just going to do a few here. There we go. And then I'm going to raise my leg up. So nice and tall. And down we go. Push. That's it. You can feel that. So you're going to get really strong glutes after this. And nice peachy bottom. There we go. And you're going to feel amazing. Not physically, well, physically and mentally as well. Which is always... well, it's just part of the game, isn't it, really? You know, you've got to do both, haven't you? If you want to feel good. You can't just feel good in your body because you feel good. You need to feel good in your mind. There we go. It goes hand in hand is what I'm trying to say. Without mumbling. There we go. Really push up. Push that knee forward, so lengthening those quads. After this, we go for another shoulder bridge, but a different variation. Oh yes, okay, squeeze it in. How is it that when you watch other Pilates videos, everyone's hair is perfect, and then mine just goes everywhere. Okay, next shoulder bridge. So we're going to bring it up, and we're going to stretch out and in. So we're keeping bottom up off floor, really pushing those hips up, and we're just taking those knees out and in, out, squeeze. So we're working outer thigh, and our inner legs, okay. That's it. Oh man, this feels so good. This is a good one. So really, if you feel your bottom dropping, really push those hips back up again to get the most out of this 8-minute exercise video. There we go. So in Pilates, we need to think about that posture as well. So hands are down, pushing it into the ground. A bit of a tricep workout there as well. Really lengthening through that spine. Squeezing in and out. There we go. Not long to go, guys. And then we've got one more shoulder bridge exercise after this. Oh, bring it down. Oh my gosh, my glutes are on fire. Okay, next exercise. We are going back into our shoulder bridge, but we're doing a shoulder bridge walkout. Okay, so here we go. I'm right on the edge of my mat. Let me shuffle down quickly. Okay, so we're raising up. So this is the last exercise now. We're going to come out with our heel, in, okay? So when we're doing it, we're trying not to dip our hips, okay? So you want to be nice and aligned. This is part of our Pilates, okay? So we're not dropping and dropping. We're trying to keep those hips nice and parallel. I know you can do this, guys. So you've really got to engage those abdominal muscles, squeeze those glutes. Remember that pelvic floor. Let's activate it. There we go. Push down with your hands for more stability. So this is our shoulder bridge walkout. Feel this in the hamstrings as well. On your hips, that's it. Remember, if you start to drop, just push that glute back into the air. Okay, pushing those hips up high. Nearly there, guys. Oh, amazing. And squeezing in those knees into your chest. Amazing. Oh, and then we're gonna rock back up again. If you can't rock, we're just gonna turn onto the side to get up. But I'm gonna rock because I'm a big kid and it feels so good. And I'm gonna come back up to seated. Woo! Alright guys, I have no idea what my hair's gonna look like after that. Honestly, it just goes a right mess when I'm on the floor, but everyone else seems to look perfect anyway. It doesn't matter. We've done our 5 minutes Pilates inspired session today and we're feeling good, aren't we? The sun is shining, so I'm gonna go outside and get some fresh air, get some of that vitamin D on my skin. And life is sweet, guys. So I hope you had a really great time today. Please subscribe to my channel for more of these kind of Pilates inspired workouts. So we're gonna get that exercise in, we're gonna do it nice and snappy, and then we can carry on with what we're doing, because I know you guys are super busy and like I'm always seem to be busy, but is it busy? I have no idea. Anyway, we're always doing things, that's what I'm trying to say. So if you can get that 8 minutes, 5 minutes, whatever it is, a bit of exercise into for the day, you're gonna feel amazing.